First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version on your phone. And then open the app. Next, tap the Messages icon in the bottom menu. At the top of the Messages page, tap Your Note. Here, you will see a new GIF icon. Tap on it. This will open the Giphy library, where you can search for a GIF to share. Browse or search for a GIF. Then tap on your preferred one to add it to your note. If you want, you can also type a short comment along with the GIF. Now choose who can see your note. You can share it with followers you follow back or only with your close friends list. Finally, tap the Share button to post your note. Your note will now appear at the top of the Messaging tab, and your friends can tap your note to view the GIF and read your comment. You can also delete the note from here. And that's how you can share GIFs on Instagram Notes.